this is how I currently get out my welder. Let's see how badly it works. That's pretty bad. Let's do something about it. This is a piece of a T-post. It's going to hold the bottles.
Get you a copper kettle, get you a copper coil, cover with me made for lash, and never more shall you toil.
I'll also attach some eyelets here so I actually have a way to hold those bottles down.
You just lay there by the juniper while the moon is bright. Watch them jugs a filling in the pale moonlight. In the fire with hickory and ash and oak. Don't use no green, no rotten wood, they'll get you by the smoke. While you lay there by the juniper, while the moon is bright, watch them jugs a filling in the pale moonlight. My daddy, he brewed whiskey, my granddaddy, he did too. We ain't paid no whiskey tax since 1792. We just lay there by the juniper while the moon is bright. Watch them jugs that fillin' in the pale moonlight.
And it's done. Let's put it together. That was the welder saying, ow. This is flexing. Remember all that weld prep I didn't make you watch? Well, that was for moments of shock loading like this. Glad I practiced welding so much. Yep. Okay, that, I guess, is here it's going to sit. It's coming down. And watch me remove those chains with video edit. And now this is how I get out my welder. Welder out. Welder put away. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button, gently destroy the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.